Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to start adding some content to some of our pages. So these are all the pages we've created so far. So I'm going to add some content to some of them. So we've already got the home page populated, so I'm going to click on the about page. I'm going to add some dummy content. You can always edit your current page by clicking on the edit page. I'm going to click edit page and I'm going to click to edit this widget here, which is the visual editor. Click on that and I'm going to add some content. I'll get rid of that and I'm going to add some dummy content. I'm going to go to this site. It's called Lorem Ipsum. Developers use this site a lot to add dummy text to a page. So I'm just going to grab that. Grab all that content and just copy. Obviously you need to add your own content. Okay, so I just click done. Update, always click update for the changes to reflect. So I can click view to view the page. Alright, so this is what it currently looks like. I can maybe get rid of this bold one and click edit again and go back into my widget. Click to edit and I will just highlight that and remove the boldness. Click done, update, and then I can view the page by clicking on view page. Alright, so this will be the about page. I'm just showing you here how to add content. This is just dummy content, but obviously add the relevant content you need. So I'm going to move on to this. I'm not going to populate all the pages. I'm just going to do some of them. I'll click on this one here relating to courses. I'll click edit and edit the visual editor by clicking on edit and get rid of that. I'm just going to paste in some text that already pre-staged. So these are some, and what I want to do also, I want to make these bullets, so I'm going to highlight them. For some reason it looks like you have to, just going to tab to create spaces between them, and I will now highlight all of them and click on this bulleted list, so that will add bullets to it. Just going to get rid of that. Okay, I'm happy with this content. I'm just going to click done and then update. You always have to update for your content to change. So I'm going to click view to view this page. Alright, so this is what this page looks like at the moment, which is okay just for illustration purposes. Next I'll move on to this one here called discount. I'm not going to do the sub pages, these other pages here. I'm going to go into content and click on edit page and going to click on the edit button to go into this visual editor, and I'm going to just add some dummy text. Actually, one thing before I need to do that, I need to go back to the actual row here. I want to split this in two because I want to add an image to the side. So I'm going to go edit row and I'm going to change that to 2 row. Make that 2, and I am going to split it. So I'm going to make this 70 and I'm going to make this one 30, and then I'll click done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add another widget here. It's going to be another visual editor. So I'll click on it to highlight it and then click add widget, and I'll just scroll down to where the widgets are and I'll click on that to add it. So I'm going to add an image here. So I'm going to click edit, and I am going to, you can give it a title if you wish. I'm going to add media, and the media one's not here, so I'm going to upload it. And I'm just going to add one of these sales tags here. Let's grab that one. Okay, you can see it's selected already. I'll click insert into page. All right, so that will insert it. I'll click done. So that's inserted into this. And then here inside this part, because I've split the row into two, so I'm going to into two columns. So I'm going to edit this and add some dummy text. So I'm adding some dummy text to this content, and I'm just going to highlight it and make it a bulleted list. I'm going to just bring that. Okay, so I'm going to click done. Update, always have to update. All right, so I'm going to click to view the page. All right, so that's the image I added, and that's the current page. So this is because of the way I have split the rows. So if I want it nearer, I can obviously do some padding to make this, to bring this nearer if I wanted to. All you need to do is go into the row and make some edit and drag it over. So if I come here, what I can do, I can come here, edit the row and make that into 3. So I can make this 50, make this 35, and make this 25. So that should give me my, okay, no, that is 25. That should be, let's give that 20, make this 30, and click done. This will be empty. Click update and go back to view the page. We can see it's got a bit nearer because there's an empty cell here. So you've generally got the idea anyway. So if I wanted to move this content nearer, I'll just split the cell and then create an empty padding here. But this is just to give you some illustration how to do that. So I'm going to leave this for now. I'm not going to spend too much time on it. So we've populated this page, about page, courses page. We've done the discount. In the next couple of lectures, I'm going to try and populate this and this contact. I'm going to add a contact form and also add a Google map. So this too is going to take a bit of time, so I probably do them in separate videos. So in the next video, I'm going to start with this testimonial page, and then in the video after that, we'll do one on the contact page. So that's it for now for this video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.